Hello friends, welcome to the 7th video of hallway flood shot. In this video I will show you the texturing and the shading techniques which I use to create this shot. So as you can see there is this texture on the wall. There are some sky thing which is visible from here, which is actually in comp. So but in 3D I will show you how to do this wall texture and the water texture which I used here. So just quickly jump into Houdini and let's start. So here you can see that this is our scene which is don't have anything any material on that, and if you go to the UV editor and you can see there is no UVs also there, but we use that perspective view. We just create a new geo node and extracted our geometry just because of we want to texture it separately, so we don't want to use this alembic right now, and I'll show you how I textured these stuff. So as you can see there is no much detail. There is very simple. This is a image map which is apply on this wall, and this image map is first I'll start with that. So this is wall, and on that wall first I used a UV texture node, and let's say if I don't have UV texture node, the texture will not place properly on the walls. Okay, and after that I apply a material, which material is in, if you go to the shop network, let's say just use shop shell here. So you can say that where's that? Okay, yeah, material. So here you can see that wall shader, and wall shader is actually a mantra shader, this mantra surface shader, where I used a texture map in base color. And this texture map is just any texture you can use, and you can download free textures from internet. So I just use that shared texture for wall, and for wood also I use the same thing. As you can see here, it's not there, but I use this for this. For stairs, still the same map, texture map you can apply there. So go back to object level, and if you want to see that, you can just turn it on. So this is on viewport, we can see this. There are much of look which you can see here is achieved in compositing. So because I like to do most of the color thing, shading thing in compositing, because in comp there is very control over all of things like mid-tone, shadows and highlights. Okay, so I'm not very texturing friendly, but I would like to do some basic stuff to make my scene better. But I would tell you that this is the setup which I used for creating my this shot. And for water, it's a ocean shader. I'll show you what the ocean shader is. This is this ocean surface shader I'm using for my water surface, and I also use a water. If you go to object level, and on that water mesh, if you see this mesh, just turn off this. I used a ocean shader. So basically I convert this to ocean. If you can see this is right now its file, and if you select this, you can see this. I build a ocean for that, and basically on this mesh I used as a ocean surface to get more displacement on this water. And when I use this ocean surface, this you can get from this ocean shelf, ocean effects, and from Ocean Effects you can, if you select this, you will get these nodes. Instead of that, you will find a grid. So I'll show you how it will be. So if you click there, so you will get this node. Press L. So this is the same network, but just I used my file shop where my cache is saved. I just load that and everything is same. So this the same shelf tool you can use as, so you can see that flip surface and flip bubbles is there. With this ocean shader, actually I got a lot of the water properties and refraction, better displacement, and the speculators and all that, all were things I can get here. So as you can see, you can judge yourself like how the shader fits in. I also have a common water shader also I create. If you go to shop network, you can see there is a press L, so you can lay out all the properly. Basic liquid, you can see this. So if I can also use a basic liquid, but in that actually I didn't get these kind of water feel, water refraction, and the water properties, which is and one more thing which I like in this ocean shader is like you can get a depth surface with that. So with that you can get some more details inside that. So volume, you can get water volume, you can get with that. So texturing wise, this is which I did for this shot. There are a lot of possibilities to create, to enhance that shot. It's up to you. So as I created this setup. So yeah, I think this is it for this tutorial, this video, and in next video I'll show you how I create light setup for this this shot. Okay, so these lights and all, I'll show you how I did. See you there.